In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule out of office in Microsoft Teams. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your Microsoft Teams on the browser or just open up the Microsoft Teams app. And after that, just go to the top right next to your profile picture and click on the three dot icon, which stands for Settings and More. From here, just open up Settings. And after you're in Settings, just go to General. And inside General, if you scroll down, you'll find a Schedule Office option. Sometimes Microsoft likes to hide options, so you might not see it here. In that case, you cannot set out of office. But if you do see it here, you can set your out of office hours over there. Currently, I do not see it, so I have to use another way to do it. So just go back to your Microsoft Teams. And from here, just click on your profile picture. From here, as you can see, current status is set to available. Just click on this. And from here, you can set to appear away or be right back. This will tell your teammates or your colleagues that you're not at your desk and you're out of office. And if you want, you can also set up a custom status. Let's say, for example, we say out of office over here and we give it 4 hours to clear the message again. Then just click on done. And it's gonna say be right back out of office until the time. And basically this is the workaround. I hope that will work for you. And basically, that is how to schedule OOO or out of office in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.